In today's video, I'm going to explain what is SAF and why it is important for the future of flying. SAF stands for Sustainable Aviation Fuel, a type of jet fuel that is produced from renewable and low-carbon sources, such as used cooking oil, animal waste fat, forestry waste, and even carbon captured from the air. SAF can reduce the carbon emissions of aviation by up to 80% compared to conventional jet fuel, which is made from fossil fuels. You might be wondering, how is SAF made and how does it work? Well, there are different ways to produce SAF, depending on the feedstock and the technology used. But the basic idea is to convert the biomass or the carbon dioxide into a liquid fuel that has the same properties and performance as jet fuel. This means that SAF can be blended with regular jet fuel and used in existing aircraft engines and fuel systems without any modifications. SAF is not a new concept. In fact, the first flight using SAF took place in 2008, and since then, more than 300,000 flights have been powered by SAF around the world. However, SAF is still not widely available or affordable for most airlines and passengers. SAF currently accounts for only 0.1% of the total jet fuel consumption globally, and it is often 2 to 4 times more expensive than regular jet fuel. So, what are the challenges and opportunities for SAF? One of the main challenges is to scale up the production and supply of SAF to meet the growing demand of aviation. This requires significant investments in infrastructure, innovation, and incentives from governments and industry stakeholders. Another challenge is to ensure that SAF is truly sustainable and does not compete with food crops, water resources, or biodiversity. This means that SAF should follow strict environmental and social criteria and be certified by independent bodies. On the other hand, SAF also offers many opportunities for the aviation sector and beyond. SAF can help airlines achieve their climate goals and reduce their dependence on fossil fuels. SAF can also create new jobs and industries in the green economy and support rural development and waste management. SAF can also improve the air quality and noise levels around airports and enhance the passenger experience and satisfaction. So, what can you do to support SAF? Well, as a consumer, you can choose to fly with airlines that use SAF or offer SAF as an option. You can also offset your carbon footprint by donating to projects that produce or use SAF. You can also raise awareness and advocate for SAF by sharing this video and joining the conversation on social media. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something new and interesting about SAF. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.